Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing into your Glasp account, don't worry. Login problems can happen for several reasons, but they're usually easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the most effective solutions step by step. First, make sure you're using the correct email address or sign-in method. If you originally signed up with Google, continue using the Google sign-in option instead of entering a different email. Next, check your internet connection and refresh the login page. Yeah, a weak or unstable connection can sometimes prevent the sign-in process from completing successfully. If you're still unable to log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then close and reopen your browser before trying again. Now, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. An outdated browser can sometimes cause compatibility issues with Glasp or its authentication system. If you're using the Glasp browser extension, verify that it's enabled and updated. You can also temporarily disable other browser extensions to check whether they're causing a conflict. Still having trouble? Try signing in from a different browser or another device. This can help determine whether the issue is related to your current browser settings. If you can't access your account after trying these steps, visit the Glasp Help Center or contact Glasp support. They can help you recover your account or investigate any account-specific issues. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Glasp login issues and get back into your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.